What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, I will be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to update your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. In order to update your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, you want to make sure that they are connected to your device. To connect them, you just have to open your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live case right next to your device. And once you get the pop-up notification on your device, click Connect. After your Galaxy Buds Live are connected and there is an update for them, the Galaxy Wearable app will take you straight to the update section of the app, where you'll see what's new in this update, software update information, and caution, where the app will warn you and let you know that you cannot use your Buds Live while updating. What happens in the case that the app doesn't take you to the update section right away, you might ask? In that case, you need to watch this video to the end to find out what are some other ways you can update your Galaxy Buds Live. In case the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app doesn't take you directly to the update section of the app, find your Galaxy Wearable app and click on it, just like you would click that like button. Once the app takes you to the main page, you will see an orange banner that will inform you of the new update. When you click on that banner, the app will take you to the update section of the Galaxy Wearable app, where you'll see the same prompts and the buttons which will allow you to either update your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live right away or postpone the update to a later, more convenient time for you. However, in case your Samsung Galaxy Wearable app is completely sick or just being lazy and it doesn't want to work properly and take you directly to the update section or notify you of an update with an orange banner, there's a third way, probably most reliable way to check whether or not your Galaxy Buds Live are up to date. When you access your Galaxy Wearable app, simply slide to the earbud software update section, where you will be manually able to check whether or not there's an update for your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. When you click on the update section, you will be able to see when was the last time your Buds Live were updated and download and install an update if there is one. If there isn't, the app will simply tell you that your software is up to date. Guys, now that you know how to access the software update for Galaxy Buds Live in multiple ways, let me know in the comment section below which one will you use or prefer to use. Once you click on the update button, Galaxy Wearable app will start copying the update, and then you will see a pop-up notification that will say, keep the case open. Your earbuds will disconnect from your phone when the update starts. Keep the case open until the update is complete and the earbuds reconnect to your phone. Once you click OK, just like you click that like button, you will notice that all of the tabs in Galaxy Wearable app will be gray, which means your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are currently disconnected. And once they are lit up again and you see the battery status, you will get a notification on your device saying software successfully updated. And if you'd like to double check whether or not the software has been installed successfully, you can go back to the earbuds software update section, then press on the download and install. And if your software is up to date message shows up, that means you have successfully installed the latest update. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to update your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell to be notified for future awesome helpful content.